To enable dark theme in Pixel 10a, first of all we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down, and here we need to find display and touch options. When you enter them, scroll down again until we find the dark theme. You can then enable it with this switch. Also, you should enter it if you want, and then adjust the options for a standard, which turns on the dark theme on your device and apps if they support it, or you can go for expand, which automatically applies dark theme to most apps that don't support it. This can improve accessibility and readability, but may cause some apps to display incorrectly. You can enable it if you like, and there's also schedule options that you can adjust when dark mode and light mode should toggle on. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.